Malaga, Spain. Oceanside Walk. Costa del Sol. Test a portion of Andalucia's best fish, respect an old Roman theater, and partake in a brew in an outdated bar. Malaga is most popular for the armies of sun admirers that visit every year, except there is something else to this cosmopolitan territory. Look into the bewildering profundities of El Tajo Gorge when you visit Ronda. Partake in the appeal of whitewashed towns where time has stopped, and respect the strange rocks of the inland mountain ranges which have been curved into odd shapes and sizes. Impression Center Malaga covers every one of the semi-secret diamonds that are much of the time neglected in this famous territory, as well as well-known objections. Remembers itemized data for sites and attractions and interesting bits of knowledge into the set of experiences and culture of the region.